Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve a screen rotate problem on Poco phone. Friends, you want to solve guys your screen rotate problem on Poco phone. So what is screen rotate problem? First friends, you can see when you use your YouTube app in any app, friends, your screen rotate automatic. Friends, you can see when I use Play Store any app. Example guys, now we will on Google. Friends, you can see screen rotate automatic, and so you can see same setting guys with Play Store also. So how to solve guys this screen rotate problem on Poco phone device today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So how to solve, friend, you can solve from your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco phone. Friends, click on your Poco phone additional setting. Additional setting is we will on it. After additional setting friends, you can see there are many settings. So I scroll it, then click on accessibility setting. After click on guys accessibility guys, right side guys, you can see vision setting guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Again guys, right side swipe, and friends you can see guys this last guys auto rotate screen. So guys tap here to solve your auto rotate problem. Friends, now you can use guys your Play Store app without rotate screen. You can use your Google app without rotate screen, and friends you can use your YouTube app without rotated screen. So like that we can solve guys auto screen problem on Poco phone device. And guys, one more option guys you can solve. Friends, how to solve? Friends, you can solve from your display setting and you can solve from your search bar. So I search here guys direct auto setting, auto. As you can see auto rotated screen guys display setting, and guys last one auto rotate screen guys, tap here to solve your auto screen problem. So screen will not rotate on Poco phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to solve screen rotate problem on Poco phone device. So bye bye guys.